Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy ReggieJaySneakz coming at you guys today with a new video. As you guys see now for the title down below, we're going to be making our way to Nike outlet. It's going to be our first Nike outlet vlog since the quarantine. Things pretty much happened. I know Nike pretty much going to have the lines forming, keep the 6 feet. You guys already know we're going to go out there with our masks and everything on. If you guys are new to the channel, just because of the title down below, we do go to Nike outlets every once in a while to look for some steals and some deals. We look for new shoes in there, as well as just any old school gems that they put out there on the show. As well as we do look at the men's side, women's side, kids side, and we just be looking for anything on sale. If you guys see me post a shoe on here or film a shoe and don't show you guys the price, it just pretty much means that the shoe is full price and it wasn't not on sale. I don't think right now Nike has any deals going on, especially with everything going on. So it's probably just going to be whatever is on sale in there. So you guys go ahead and get straight into the video. But before we get into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and stop what you guys are doing. Drop a like right now on this video, as well as a comment. And if you guys are new or old to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys have that notification bell set to on. And make sure that notification bell set to all, so you guys know when I drop a new video and when I'm dropping. But with all that being said, you guys, in the meantime, between time, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. And depending on how loud the music is, if the music is too loud, you guys already know I won't be talking, so you guys already should know. I'm gonna just show you guys the shoes. So if the music is playing real loud, you guys should already know it's gonna be a real chill video. So make sure you guys get in that comment section. Let me know what shoe was your favorite throughout this haul. I don't know what we're gonna find. I'll see you guys once this video is over and talk about whatever we find at this Nike outlet. So in the meantime, between time, you guys, let's just go and get straight into this video. I'll see you guys once the video is over. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and hopefully you guys go ahead and drop a like on this video. And I'll see you guys once the video is over. So in the meantime, between time, you guys gonna get straight into it. that's gonna be the end of the video, you guys. We finally made it back to the crib, man. It was hot out there, yo. They had us first standing in line, as you guys probably seen at the beginning of the video. Had us standing in line and pretty much was waiting for one person or two people, depending on how many people came out the store. It depends on how many people went in the store. So if only one person came out that store, it didn't matter if it was 100 of us standing in that line. It was gonna be just only one person going into Nike. We did find a lot of good stuff in there, but mostly on the girl or GS side. As you guys see, we found some retro 10s. We found a lot of retro 1s in there. On the girl side, on the men's side, we found a lot of basketball sneakers besides those 98s. I like those gold 98s as well as the other ones. I forget what those names was. Mainly all black, but have a lot of different color stitching all over it. Those Air Maxes was cool as well. But you guys let me know down in the comments down below which shoe was your favorite. I kind of figured Nike was gonna go ahead and have that music blast. I hope you guys enjoyed that little chill video because you guys didn't have to hear me keep talking throughout the whole video. And I know this vlog was not like my normal typical vlogs at Nike, just because I normally go to the Nike out in Chicago, but this one I actually went to was out in the suburbs, so I kind of figured that I was not going to have as many retros for the men's. And I know a lot of people have been pretty much camping out and going to Nike and waiting for it to open just to see what they have first thing when they open up in the morning. So I kind of figured it wasn't going to have much, so I wanted to go ahead and go over and see what we could find. So you guys let me know which shoe was your favorite down in the comments down below. And my next Nike vlog probably will be in Chicago, so you guys already know we're gonna go ahead and go check that out. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. You guys let me know what shoe was your favorite down in the comments down below as well. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is just ReggieJaySneakz. I have all that stuff on the bottom of the screen as well as in my description. So make sure you guys go down in my description and click those links to follow me on my social media. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. So in the meantime, between time, I'm out of here. Peace. I know what I deserve.